Skies crying softly tonight, like it knows every word I can say. Streetlights blue and silver lines as my footsteps fade away. I take two shadows and the room. They don't judge, they don't pretend. Every track begins to form like memories that never real. And I'm standing in this moment, letting cold run through my skin. Maybe pain is just the ocean where forgiveness learns to swim. So let it rain, let it pour, wash the scars I hide inside. Every tear I couldn't show falls from head and not my eyes. Let it rain on broken dreams, on the love I couldn't save. If the sun won't call my name, I'll dance alone with the Your ghost still lingers in our car. Every breath still smells like you. Promises we never wrote still feel painfully true. Windows fog with yesterday. Your life echoes down the street. I would give my heart away just to hear your heartbeat. Many storms are just reminders that the clouds don't last forever. Even shattered pieces still can't find their way together. So let it rain, let it pour, watch the scars I hide inside. Every tear I couldn't show fall from heaven, not my eyes. Let it rain on broken dreams, on the love I couldn't save. If the sun won't call my name, I'll dance alone with the Thunder speaks in honesty. Lightning shows me who I am. I'm not lost, just wondering, trying hard to understand.